Okay, now it's time for the hair, which is going to be pretty tricky because we don't have a blending tool. So you can make this as complex or as simple as you would like. I'm going to start with doing it very simply. And if you want to make yours look better, just keep watching the video, but you're welcome to stop at any point. So first, click the plus sign, draw layer, and try to find the color that's like your overall color, like the color you see most often. Okay, we're going to start with a basic outline of the hair. And notice I normally use this top brush, but this time I'm using this other kind of brush just because you can get like some thinner lines as you move down. Okay, now that we have the basic shape, we're going to add another layer, but I've reached my maximum amount of layers. So I'm going to merge some layers together that I know are good to go and I don't really have to change them. So first, I'm going to merge my pupils with my iris. So you just click the layer and click merge down, then merge down again. And I forgot this one, so I'm going to merge it down also. Okay, that gives us a few layers to work with at least. So now click the plus sign, draw layer, and this layer is going to be the darker layer, so it's going to go behind what we just did. And instead of dragging and dropping to get this color, that's a weird color, it would end up being like bluish gray. I'm just going to click my color circle and make this color darker. Now get the dark pieces of hair that you see. Okay, next we're going to do the highlight. So to do that, we're going to have to hide this layer right here, this top layer. Okay, and actually before we do highlights, I want to get these darker pieces right here. Okay, so I'm going to add another layer. This layer is going to go on top. And I still want to keep this dark hair color that I had before. Okay, so you're going to get all the darker pieces that you see if you see any in your hair. Okay, let's add this layer back to see how it looks. Did that on the wrong layer. Yep. All right, instead of redoing it, I'm just moving that to the top. All right, now let's go back and work in some highlights. So we got to get rid of this again. Find the lightest color in your hair that you see. And we're going to do this on the top layer, the one that I accidentally missed a second ago. And these do not have to be perfect. You can just kind of follow the pattern that you see. You don't have to trace it exactly how you see it. Okay, now I'm going to show my original layer. And it's not too bad. Alright, so instead of doing this little bit of ear, I'm going to go to my darkest color and just color over my ear. If a lot of your ear is showing, you cannot do this. You'll have to actually draw your ears.